to understand the business plan of this little local enterprise and be able to know how much they can make, so the cost of the raw materials in the loaf and the profit that they will make. But as far as I'm concerned, this is not something I want to do for them.
So is it going to be like Richard Deans?
Sorry, I'm going to go to the neighbours and say, the three of us are going to do some baking. So that's what we're going to do. Yes, a bit like that. I do have quite a large involvement, which is unusual. But I was very impressed that I started off with domestic violence 2 years ago. I will be going to join our local club. What I will do is to try to see if it works, and if it does, perhaps prepare a little handbook that other parents can use, which will include the business plan, will include lessons, and how to get this thing.
I'm a member of the Young Food Movement, which is an offshoot of Slow Food.
We're basically trying to encourage young people cooking, sharing bakers, and by going into a much more mainstream society, schools are a big part of that. It makes access to everybody easy. Those artisan skills can get into mainstream society through something as simple as school, which everybody has access to. You prepare your bread, decide to put it in the oven, and for the first 5 minutes of it being in the oven, particularly when you're first starting to make bread, it's so exciting because it rises